Cofinimmo was started 30 years ago in Brussels. It was the company investing for the European Commission, the new buildings. But about 10 years ago we noticed that offices everywhere in the world and in Brussels as well would follow different trends with fewer square meters per person, and we looked for alternative assets. And we asked ourselves, what can we do? We're not going to jump into shopping centers, but we are going to try something else. And we started with nursing homes, which was not very well known in Europe as a category for professional investment. We invested in Belgium first. Today we have 800 million of nursing homes in Belgium, and then in 2008 we started with France, where we have now also a good 50 assets and 350 million invested. After France, we started in 2012 with prospection in the Netherlands, a new market for us, very fragmented, lots of opportunities, relatively small market, but with a fragmentation that provided us a possibility to be a first mover and to accumulate assets. Now we have around 13 properties in the Netherlands for 100 million. Last year we started also with investment in Germany, a fairly large economy of course, and potentially a large market for us in healthcare as well. We like essentially buildings between 2,000 and 8,000 square meters, which can be, if no more, a healthcare asset reconverted into residential easily, so that the residual value stands relatively high. We like the long cash flow, and we look very deeply into the operating model of our tenant, because we think that the risk in healthcare is more the tenant than the category. We get a nice initial yield and long leases that are indexed to inflation. We also build many new houses, because in healthcare the good products are still to be created. So we have a full team working on developments in Belgium, in France and in the Netherlands.